Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Singh and I'm a UPSC Civil Services aspirant preparing for my second attempt in 2027. So, welcome to day 2 of the Backlog Still Birthday series. Yesterday was a very successful day. I was able to do 3 lectures despite despite having a schedule that I don't really follow, that is late night studying. So, for today also I've ended up wasting a lot of my time in the afternoon just after I woke up because I just had to do some YouTube work and then I created something. I hated it. I just created that thing, putting in so much effort, so much of time, and then I ended up hating it. And that's how I ended up wasting my time also. So I need to be very mindful of that further. And for today I have just done 1 hour of lecture, and because after that I was just feeling so hungry that I had to eat something, and I have now finally had something, and now I'm getting back to my study sessions. So the targets for today are ethics, governance, same as yesterday. Tell me your targets in the comments down below because we're in this together. Water check, pens not check. I need to get the refill of this. Yes, this is my favorite pen. And if you guys are मतलब इसकी नहीं मिल जाती है, इसको आप Blinkit से भी मंगा सकते हो, and it's so smooth and so good to write. It's a bit expensive, but it's actually worth it. So this is the pen that I've used. I've been using this since my college times, and I think it is 50 rupees for one pen. And ये 5 का पैकेट मिलता है, and I think बस ये ले लो और फिर उसके बाद इसकी इंक मंगवा लो, and you'll be sorted. Okay, so I just wanted to share it with you all. अभी मैं ethics पढ़ रही थी, and we are studying consequential theories. So in that we are studying a little portion of what is happiness and all of those things. And I really wanted to share it with you guys because that will help you enrich your preparation. So I'll just read out the definition and then tell you guys what is my POV. Okay, this is the definition. The definition says the experience of joy, contentment or positive well-being combined with the sense of one's life is good and meaningful and worthwhile. Now सीधे साफ शब्दों में हैप्पीनेस इज जस्ट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ, इज जस्ट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट योर circumstances in life, is just feeling grateful about everything that you have. Because if you just point out on your deficiencies, you will tend to move towards sadness only, right? And I think this is a problem that is there in the Indian society, and especially the past generations, the generations of our moms and dads. And I guess हमारी generation तक ही रहेगी, आगे नहीं जाएगी, because I think most of the people around us will tell us that what is wrong with you exactly. You are like this. Oh my god, you've gained weight. Oh my god, you failed. I feel so sorry for you. What the hell? You don't need to feel sorry about me gaining weight or being sorry for me failing. It's okay. I mean, if I'm content with it, and you don't need to feel sorry about it. तो जो भी life में हो, just accept it. Accept it as the hukum of God. Accept it as it is, because with acceptance is when the change comes. Okay, so one more thing I have written that my teacher told me, that the happiest people or the most content people are the most successful ones, which I think is 100% true. Success comes with discipline and not by being unhappy. So yeah, just be disciplined, enjoy your life, feel good about yourself, and just feel nice about whatever is happening in your life. Because you know what, मैं ये चीज़ लास्ट वीडियो में भी बोली थी, समथिंग दैट डज नॉट किल यू मेक्स यू स्ट्रॉन्गर. सो जस्ट फाइंड दैट गोल्डन और सिल्वर लाइनिंग बोलते हैं ना वैसे, सिल्वर लाइनिंग इवन इन द वर्स्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस. आई नो इट माइट बी coming as an optic that I am living such a comfortable life, I have everything, blah blah, but life has a lot of problems for everyone. सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स का मैग्नीट्यूड बस अलग होता है और झेलने की क्षमता अलग होती है. तो आई थिंक हैप्पीनेस में मेरा बस इतना सा लेक्चर था. एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू द लेक्चर बिकॉज वी आर हियर स्टडिंग अबाउट, आई थिंक consequentialist theories are actually very interesting. Consequentialist, cool. See you. Okay, so it is 10:45. ये 55 लग रहा होगा, but it is 10:47 right now, and I am halfway through my today's targets, and I'm still left with one full proper slot and then one half slot. ठीक है? Now it's 10:47, and अभी I will just sit for another lecture, मतलब 2 घंटे का almost of ethics, and आधा governance का, आधा ethics का, and then रात को सोने से पहले आधा ethics का जो बच जाएगा. And that's how we're gonna go. I am exhausted. I do feel very exhausted. And also I forgot to mention, आज तो मेंस था ना, और ऐसे का पेपर था, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग मुझे लगे उसके जितने भी टॉपिक्स थे. And I think they were very nice. It was a pretty lenient paper, and I think it was just to get out the aspirants from the trauma of pre-26. I won't call it a trauma. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. See you. second lecture of the day. I swear to God, the last 2 to 3 minutes out of there, they're so killing, I swear. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11:51 एंड अब बस 1 घंटे की और क्लास करेंगे, फिर सोने से पहले 1 घंटे की और करेंगे. बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स मार्क दिस डन. Okay, so this is the target. Ethics done, governance done. This is the star day because I had completed all my tasks. अब ये है थर्ड डे. देखेंगे अब इसमें कैसा होगा, क्या परफॉर्मेंस आएगी. बट आई ट्राई कि मैं सातों के सातों दिन अच्छे से परफॉर्म करूँ. पर हाँ, आई गेस मैंने ऐसे लिखा है और मैंने ना इस ऑर्डर में सारी डेट्स लिखी हैं और इस ऑर्डर में सारे लेक्चर्स लिखे हैं. अब मैं इन्हीं ऑर्डर के साथ चलूँगी ताकि थोड़े नए नए सब्जेक्ट्स आते रहे और इंटरेस्ट मरे ना. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई यूज टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट. ओके, सो या इसमें ही मार्क कर देते हैं. अच्छा, एथिक्स का तो एक ही हुआ ना अभी, गवर्नेंस का हो गया. चलो जी, डन जी.